you might have to wait. I was not used to it. No, no. I just like a little bit of attention once in a while. That is a very sweet baby though. I hear you grumbling in there. You ready to go back to bed? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm all done. I'm all done. Yeah. Hi, Rico. I hear you. I hear you grumbling. Yeah. If you didn't bite so damn hard. Yeah. Just a fussy. Rico. Rico. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? That's the first time I've actually heard him loudly try to say that. Rico! What are you doing? What are you doing? Kitty purr? Kitty purr? What? Kitty purr? No. Kisses? Rico! Rico! What are you doing? What are you doing? Kitty purr? Kitty purr? What are you doing? What are you doing? Rico. I haven't heard him whistle lately. Have you? Pretty bird. What you doing? What? What are you doing?